Hey guys, this is Goosebumps Man. The reason I call myself Goosebumps Man, not now because you can see it's written under there somewhere. So, anyways, I'm doing the Tommy 20. Okay, so here's the goods about it. The good is that it's automatic. So if you're like in a battle and you don't wanna you're like what's the word? You don't have to pump it. Yeah, you don't have to pump it. You can just go. Sorry, it doesn't make the noise. I don't have batteries. It comes with a cap though, but batteries not included. So, anyways, I just want to make this quick because I'm gonna leave somewhere soon. Going to Regina Water Parks again. Sorry, I was watching movies. Anyways, a bad thing about this. Sorry, I stammer a lot. Okay. Bad thing about this is battery. But you probably, if you want to sneak up on somebody, you don't really want to use this gun. You probably want to have like a pump or one that doesn't make noise, cause if you go like, and then you sneak up and go like, they're gonna go like, oh, dead. So, a bad thing about this gun. Oh yeah, I already said the bad thing. Another good thing is it's this. It has this. But it can't. It's not really nothing. Nothing you can do with it. So really, you can't put like a clip in here because it's. Oh, here's a good thing about this. Hold on. Sorry, my hands are crazy. You can open it like this. My cousins already have this except for the glue. My cousin shot me so bad, but theirs, since it was new, it was bad butt cheeks. Sorry if you can hear my brother. But here's what I sometimes do. I sometimes go like, oh yeah, that's good. But the bad thing is, if you try to do it with this, it's not gonna work. It's gonna shoot, but not so far. Just try not to go like this a lot. You can, but you'd rather not. So you'd rather have it like that. Sorry, I had to try to make it a little quiet, so because it's still morning. It's about 9:23 a.m. The bad thing is you have to pull it pretty far. You gotta pull it all the way down. And they're pretty heavy. To me, it's pretty hard because I got a bad arm. See, if you're asking why I don't really like to talk about it, you can comment, leave me, and I'll tell you how. Sorry, my brother's trying to use the bathroom. I'm next to the bathroom. And sorry, he says bad words a lot. I'll try to edit his voice out. But if you put it like this, if you can put it like this, it's kind of gonna look like a scope. Oh shoot, I gotta do this. Yeah, it's gonna look like a scope. Just, you can do it if you want, but you're gonna have to go like. Correct. Another good thing is, the reason it's called Tommy 20 is because Tommy guns are automatic. But there are real guns called Tommies, like real guns. The reason it's actually called the automatic Tommy. Show you, it's automatic. It says, let's see what it says backwards. also says I'm not Tommy. It's just I thought it would be backwards because it's a mirror. Oh my god, I almost hit my face. So I can't. Sorry guys, this one I can't do a test shot. I have to have batteries. And if I am about and I could take my Xbox batteries out, but my brother, yeah, he's asleep. He's always asleep until like 1 o'clock. Sometimes, mostly. I'm trying to review another gun. Sorry guys if this takes long. Maybe I will do another one in a little bit. After I come back. So the shoulder stock, you can just go like, oh yeah, gotcha sucker. But if this isn't really like, if you are a machine gun guy, you wanna go like going all tapping on people, you probably wanna sneak up. You probably be like pretend you're on their side, be like, yeah man, I'm on your side, so I won't shoot you. Just kidding. You won't want to sneak up. A bad thing about this man, guys. And girls, I don't care really which. It's kinda slow, so you'd rather not sneak up. That's what I'm talking about. So if you want to use a gun, you want to sneak up. Not only because of noise, because it's small. It has to, because this is how slow it would go. Watch, I'll show you. This is how slow it would go. Imagine I'm shooting. Oh, sorry. No, it's not fast. It will go like. Try not, and also, sometimes it does get jammed, even though it's an automatic, and automatics don't get jammed. Sometimes it gets jammed because it stops. That's a bad thing about it. Sorry guys, if it was morning, if it was in morning, I'd totally shoot this, so I'd go in my brother's room to get my Xbox 360 remote, go put it in, shoot it once or twice. This is how you kill it. Pull this up. You can't just go like that. You can't do this, so. Oh, that's pretty much it. Another bad thing is it doesn't come with tactical rail. If you don't know what a tactical rail is, it's kind of like, hold on. Remember how you guys the tally heater? I'll show you guys the barrel. What? If you don't know what a tactical rail is, this is a tactical rail. This. So if you have one and you have like the long shot, you can go like, oh yeah, you take it out, be like, look at this. Huh? Sorry, I tried to do something. So that's a tactical rail. Yeah. So, that's pretty much it about it. You can't put a scope, nothing. That's what kind of sucks about this gun. If you would want it, you probably want to, like, make sure you're good with it. Like, like automatic people, they just start running. All the people. But no. Well, peace out.